Hey everyone, welcome to our introductory episode of Python Adventures, where we will guide you through the world of Python programming.
Yep, but first let's talk about why Python is such a big deal.
Did you know, Selena, that Python was named after Monty Python? Not the snake, which comes from an old BBC television comedy sketch series.
Exactly, so Python is not just powerful, it's got a great sense of humor too, just like us.
Speaking of humor, this is Pi. You'll be slithering around with us as we explore coding.
So let's dive in. Why is Python such a favorite among programmers, Sabir?
Well, for starters, it's easy to read, learn, and write. It's like the Swiss Army knife of programming languages.
And it's not just for beginners. Python is used by big companies like Google, NASA, and even Netflix.
Binge watching and coding. Python makes it possible.
Alright, enough fun. Check the statistics and let's get serious about setting up your Python environment first.
Okay. If you want to learn Python environment setup, keep an eye on Tech Edu Facebook page and YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe.